is so cute. These kitties are cute too, but coming out right now is the new release holiday transfers. The one I use in the project at the end of this is retired. Sorry, this is old footage, but look at these. They're making a smaller size. What'd you think, Caitlin?
I love this. This is kind of the dark academia style. It's kind of got those fun elements for anything you're wanting to make. And then we've got the gold one that is so cute. Can be used twice, right?
Yeah, you're off label. It's only one use, it says, but everybody is putting decoupage medium on it, which I sell the DIY liquid patina. You put it on there and then you use the decoupage to make some more image. It's good. You got to do it.
Look at it shimmer.
Okay, I have this old window and I'm going to show you how easy it is to take an old window and transform it into a really big statement holiday piece. I'm sorry this guy's gone. He was gorgeous. And I did take some gift wrapping paper and put it back behind it. I literally did not Mod Podge it onto the window, but you could. I literally just like hot glued it on there or something, and then you can change it out. You can use fabric or whatever to go behind it to give you some color, or leave it clear so your wall color shows through.
I love this one because it kind of looks like almost watercolor on the transfer. It's like watercolor paint, but this transfer is so nice because this piece, if you want to buy it, it could stay up till January, the winter months. It's not just
that's true
Christmas, it's winter.
Yeah, I like that. And so we just put this on a glass that we cleaned with alcohol and then made sure it was dry, because you don't want it dirty or dusty, and you don't want to touch the image with your fingers after you peel the backing off, or it could make it not stick. But these are so fun. You do not have to seal this transfer when you put it on mirror, glass, or metal. It's done. But if it was on anything else, any other surface, you have to put a wax or a top coat over it.
So if you carried this image onto the frame of the window, that part would need to be sealed.
Oh yeah, that's true. And that's so fun and so cute to do. So transfers are really easy. It comes with the stick, as you see, will come with it. And you can mix them with other transfers you have. You can mix them with stamps, with molds, with, I don't know, also, what do you think? You got anything else to say about these?
They're easy.
Yeah.
Don't be scared to try these. They're honestly so easy to use, user friendly.
They are. And they make them a little distressed looking. So if part of it doesn't come off for some reason, or if your surface is kind of texturing and it doesn't come off good, it like works. Or you can put what I heard somebody say, a Band-Aid. You can use one of your scrap leaves and cover and layer if something didn't go right. Look at these trees. Now there are some tree images in that one that we just showed you. And we have stamps. I have stamps that have winter thing, and it would be fun to, use that on your scrap wood or whatever.
I think there's a mold too.
Oh yeah, there is
of some trees or a tree.
Yeah, we've got the acorns. We've got lots of, just go to the link in my description. We have these products listed in there, and you can scroll through all the iron orchid designs and see what all you need.
We are an Amazon affiliate, so all of those links will be linked down below. And if you purchase through those links, I will earn a small commission at no extra charge to you, and all the links from this video will be down below. After you get the transfer onto the glass and you peel off that paper, you really want to run your fingers over the image to make sure all of it is stuck down and there's nothing sticking out that's going to make the image come off the glass. I like putting the leopard paper behind this image, but if your style changes from year to year, you can easily switch that out and put any kind of paper you want behind there, or just have your wall color showing.
I just happen to have these shoes on today, so definitely mix leopard and buffalo checks, because it really makes your pieces look like boho, eclectic, and kind of just a little bit different than the traditional winter decor. So have fun.